In this video, I show how to create a luxurious piece of wall art from scratch. I made leaves and vines using air-dry clay and spray painted them golden for an elegant look. And then I created a textured background on a canvas using wall putty and stencils. When it got dry, I shaded in the same color green for a royal vibe. At the last, I arranged the golden leaves and vines creatively to complete the masterpiece. The final result is breathtaking, perfect for elevating any space. If you love unique DIY art, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing ideas. Let's create beauty together.